Hi, we're CuepilotAI, and we're building an AI copilot to transform preschools across the world. Early childhood education is super critical. In fact, 90% of a child's brain development happens under the age of 5. Unfortunately, most preschools across the world are run like small shops, not like high quality institutions. And this is because preschool teachers have a ton of work to do outside the classroom. This includes marketing, fee collection, parent communication, daily planning, assessment and tracking, and a whole host of other operational tasks. They're overwhelmed and overburdened, and that's because preschools don't have specialized staff for these functions. We built Cupilot. Cupilot automates 80% of administrative work outside the classroom in preschools. And we know through client interviews that Cupilot unlocks happier teachers, increased time in the classroom, and much better learning outcomes. I'm going to give you a demo of the platform in action. Howdy, Q. I just got done with my day in school. I need you to do two things for me. So one, go ahead and mark attendance. Advaith and Agastya were absent. Anaira was late. Everybody else was present. Also, write an announcement to parents telling them that next Monday is a holiday. Also give them two things that they can do with their children on their day off. I've delegated two of my tasks to Q. You will see in just about 5 seconds that it will go ahead and start executing these tasks. And so you will see here that it's summarized what it needs to do. So it'll mark attendance, it'll write announcement, and it's gone ahead and marked attendance. So it's marked Advaith and Agastya as absent, and Ira was late, everybody else was present. It's also written an announcement. Dear parents, wanted to inform you that next Monday is a holiday. Here's a couple of things that you can do with your children. All right. We're in 30 schools and growing rapidly. We've got over 3,000 monthly active users. We've replaced a ton of tools in the schools that we're in. Two key metrics for us. We save 7 to 10 hours per teacher per preschool in the preschools that we're in. And the preschools that we're in have also managed to increase their fees by 20 to 40%. We've got two big competitors in the US. We've got Procare and Brightwheel. Procare does about $260 million in ARR. Brightwheel does $70 million in ARR. But these are legacy platforms. They were built decades ago. They don't manage to use AI in any meaningful way. By using AI across all of our modules, we're truly able to supercharge preschools. We've got a simple subscription-based business model. We charge $24 per child annually for standalone preschools. And for preschool franchises, we give them about a $9 discount. So we charge $15 per child annually. Preschools are a rapidly growing market across the world, and this is the market that we cater to. We anticipate that across the US, UK, Canada, Australia, the Middle East, and India, which are our target markets, that we have a serviceable, obtainable market of about $4.2 billion. We hope to reach $72 million in ARR in the next 5 years. And so that would require us to scale to 18,000 preschools globally. We've got a 3-member co-founding team. Ankur, who's the CEO, has run a preschool in Calcutta for the last 7 years. It's the most expensive and the most sought after preschool in the eastern part of India. Manav was an engineer at Meta before he joined us for 8 years. He was one of the 10 people leading a 700-member Instagram ads team. I ran and scaled 2 companies before Cupilot, one of which involved scaling preschool franchises. We just raised a $1.8 million seed round that we hope to invest in product innovation, global expansion, and we hope to hit $4 million to raise a Series A in 18 months. Join us to make quality preschools scalable and accessible worldwide.